Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial videos. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix voice chat and matchmaking errors in Meccha Chameleon. So if you cannot hear players, your mic is not working, or you cannot join matches, just follow along. First, you need to check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Next, check your microphone permissions. Make sure Meccha Chameleon has access to your microphone in your device settings. And after that, open the game audio settings and confirm that voice chat is enabled. Check that the correct microphone and audio device are selected. And if matchmaking is not working, restart the game and try joining the game again. Another fix is updating the game to the latest version. If you are using Steam, verify the game files and repair possible problems. You can also restart your router and reconnect before trying again. So that was how to fix voice chat and matchmaking errors in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.